Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy membership on Patreon using your mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, next use the search bar at the top to find the creator you want to support. Tap on their profile when it appears. On the creators page, you will see their available membership tiers. Each tier shows what you get like exclusive posts, behind the scene content or other perks along with the monthly price. Pick the tier you like and tap join. Patreon may ask you to confirm the payment method. You can use a credit or debit card or Apple Pay or PayPal depending on what's available in your region. After selecting the payment method, review the details, make sure the tier and price are correct. Then tap confirm or subscribe and that's it. You are now a member of that creators. You will get access to the perk included in your tier right away. And your membership will automatically renew each month unless you choose to cancel it later. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.